The fuck?
What's going on, man? Keep locked on rapstairs.com. Yeah, paper rap business, boy.
So I'm right here live
Yeah.
with Keith Glock, this rap status, you know what I'm saying?
Paper rap business, man. A whole lot of everything, man. Y'all know what's going on, man.
That's right, man. Let them know you fucking with the PRE, man.
PRE, man. Paper rap business. You go get your money, man. You get money, you might get nothing, man. You know what I'm saying? When the fuck you gotta go away with South Memphis with it, man. South Memphis status. You know what's going on? Yeah.
See, fucking with it, you know what I'm saying? Got the bass on, the bass, you know what I'm saying? Fly niggas, you feel me? Hey, you know what I'm saying? There's a bunch of young honeys out there. When you get out there to Cali, man, today, you know what I'm saying? Let them know, you feel me? Huh? You already plugged in?
Oh yeah, I'm plugged in. They know about me. Paper rap, we here. We global now.
Hey, man, look, we close, man.
Global now.
So tell me about your music, man. What you got dropping next?
Man, I'm working on this project, man.
No was real. He always been playing with that chick.
Oh yeah,
They say he been coming through it before this shit. You feel me?
really didn't even need it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So how it is coming out of Memphis, man? A lot of people don't know, you know what I'm saying? Memphis known for the blues and giving niggas the blues, huh?
Oh yeah, I was just say the blues and it's the other type of blues we give. You know what I'm saying? They blowing around here. It's crazy. But yeah, it's hard. It's a lot of hate coming in this city. If you make it at this city, you know you one of the chosen ones, like real talk.
It's a lot of gangs and a lot of drama out here, right?
Oh yeah, I don't know. It's so many air. That's all I know. It's so many air.
Something there.
Oh,
First 48, huh?
First 48. They don't even record here no more. They don't even.
They can't solve shit.
They don't even show it. Fuck.
Yeah. That's how it is, man, for a nigga trying to make it out of Memphis, man. You know what I'm saying? Let us know about the struggle, the grind. You had the Hustle and Flow, 3 6 Mafia, the Project Pat, you know what I'm saying? You had Scarface, you know what I'm saying? I'm up on the scene, been seeing it, been in the Murder Dog, but I never been here, and I'm here, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
And I'm getting the whiff of it. I know Dolph out here, you know what I'm saying? Everybody know what's popping out here, you feel me?
Right.
So what's going on, man? Let them know what's popping out here for you, man.
Like I said, man, it's hard coming up out here because, like, man, no matter how talented you are or what, it's all about, like, who you know and how you make your move.
Cats coming up, you already making shit happen, you know what I'm saying? Go to his Instagram, K-E-Y, Glock, you know what I'm saying? Real spelling of what's happening, you feel me?
Yeah.
And you can see him on his Instagram right now, you feel me? One of the hardest
Right
young
now.
niggas out of Castilla, making it happen, you know what I'm saying? Where else they can find you? You got Snapchat, you got social media, let them know where
Yeah,
they can
man,
find you.
Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, everything. Keep Glock, man. Just one. KYGLOCK, man.
Man.
Keep Glock, everything.
That's right, man.
That's right.
Let's get it.
The fuck?